Hey guys, so today we're gonna close birds. So all the chickens, turkeys, they have to go to bed at night, and that's what we're gonna do today. And here is like all the specifications of like fans, windows, the air conditioning that we have to use. It's different every day because the weather can vary. And so it usually takes about like 1 hour to do everything. So I'm gonna take you with me, guys, and show you part of it. So let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna close all these three hutches, and it should be simple since like everybody seems to be in besides the chickens in the hospital hutch. So let's go. Oh, this guy, Donovan, he's quite feisty, so oh, geez. I'm just gonna go in. You probably just follow me there. Oh, no, go. Come on, Donovan. Come on, don't be crazy. Yeah. Come on, go in. Oh, Donovan. He's crazy. And then she'll be moving. Maybe with the rig. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Alright, so here everybody is not in yet, but they're pretty easy to get in. Oh, they're already going in by themselves, they're smart. It's night time, guys. So in here we have to isolate the duck because sometimes in the day he's getting pecked, so we just want to make sure that he's safe at night. And sometimes he even go in by himself, so it's that duck. Let's see if he'll go. Come on. Come on. Good. So smart. And he has water, so it's good. Good night. So window open, it's good. Let's see the exhaust fan. That's perfect. So 6 ducks and 10 chickens. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 6. Alright, so window fans on. The AC is off. So we're good. Alright, so we're up here, so we're gonna start by doing chicken lane, and then we're head up to chicken barn and finish it up with turkey barn. So let's go. So we have to get everybody here in, but they're pretty easy, they know. Come on, guys. Let's go. So alright, we're back here, almost done. We have to go back in, check the windows, fan, exhaust fan, and counting birds, and that's it. So 25 birds here. So I counted 24, but the 25th bird is always at the same place. I don't know if you can see it on top there, always perched there. I don't know how she gets there, but she's always there. So we're gonna shut them in, and these guys are crazy. They will sometime attack, but it'll be funny for you at least. Come on, guys. Come on. Ouch. Ouch. So here they go all outside. I'm just gonna shut that. Come on. Come on. So this guy would just follow me if I go inside, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, he's crazy like that. So here we have
20 birds, 5 turkeys, and 15 chickens. So, as you can see, like half of the chickens are there and they're all together cuddling. And this is Bean. Hi, Bean. All right, so we have 16 birds, and here is John Wayne. Just gonna say hi. Hi, John Wayne. He always sleeps there. Hi, John Wayne. All right, and this is Unicorn, the king of the chicken barn. He's a rooster, as it can be hard to tell, but he's a badass. Oh, getting owned. All right, so let's go in North Turkey Barn and do the same thing that we did in all other buildings. So I'll have to go back in with these crazy roosters just to latch that door. Hope I'll survive. Sorry, everybody. I made it. Oh, sorry. So that's a classic. We have to say hi to Pamela. Hi. Oh, yeah. Good night. So we're done in here. We gotta count the birds and that's it. So here, I don't know if we can see it clearly. We have 20 birds, 11 turkeys, and 9 chickens. Hi guys. Turn on exhaust fan. Open all windows. Just making sure that, we have someone that's out here. So, yeah, she's always like, 1 time out of 2, she'll be just standing here, chilling. So it's nighttime. It's nighttime, yeah. Yeah. Oh, she was sitting on an egg, so that's why she didn't want to move. Come on. Here you go. Good girl. Come on. So we had 9 chickens total, so the 9th one is Stanley. Hi, Stanley. He's very kind. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, all right, we got 11 turkeys. All right, so we just shut that down, and I'll just make a quick recap of all that we did. We started down there with the 3 hutches, and we checked for fans, exhaust fan, which are the fans that take the air that's in to take it out, and the window unit, which are basically it's the air conditioning, also the windows, and counted all the birds. So we did that down there, and then we came here we did chicken barn, chicken lane, chicken barn, and we were done with turkey barn. And so that's it. Basically, we do it every night, and it took us a bit more than an hour and 10 minutes. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Bye.